Ay, man, no mames, man. What is going on, everybody? I hope you guys are having a good day, better than my wife over here. She just fell from the top of that stair and ate shit all the way down here. But anyways, make sure you watch through this whole video for your chance to win the blow off valve giveaway that I'm actually doing. Good morning, everybody. We're back. It is Sunday and we are working today on another vehicle that is not going to be thy Mustang. It is thy SS. We're going to be installing a baffle on the oil pan because these are notorious for starving when you go full throttle. So one of the fixes, there's two fixes. One of the fixes is or solutions to that problem would be to install a baffle on the oil pan. Another one would be to get a pickup tube that goes deeper. I don't remember how exactly it was. But that's supposedly more for like dedicated racing, and I'm not gonna be dedicated to racing on this truck. I might, floor it every now and then. So I kind of want the baffle, just a little insurance, so I don't starve out my engine and have to get it rebuilt or swap it out for another one. I'm not trying to go Ls2 right now, so I'll do that some other time when I have more Skrilla. Alright, so here we got my helper, which I think she's gonna be doing the work. I'm just gonna be standing on the side and watching, and we're supervising her work and then yelling at her and then tell her to do it faster and quicker. But yeah, for as far as I can see, we're gonna have to take off this brace right here, these 3 bolts right there, that bolt right there, which there's another one missing over there, and then where's the other one? That bolt right there, and then that bolt right there, and that should be enough for that brace. I think I saw a video where this guy took another brace out, but I'm not sure where it is. But we're not gonna know. I'm not gonna know for a fact up until I actually take this off. But yeah, right now we're just gonna drain the oil and get started. Got my helper over here struggling. She's gonna have to learn how to play a game of Bloody Knuckles. No? Oh, she got it. She got it. Alright, so we got this bottom brace off. There it is. That one went under, and then this top brace is also off. That one actually went bolted. Hold on. Right there. Those 2 bolts right there. And on the other side, it had 2 of the similar bolts. And that's where it grabbed on. And those 2 threads that go right there, that's actually the bottom part of that brace that goes bolted up on this brace right here. So these all bolted up, they make one piece. And while we have this ting off right here, I'm gonna give it a little scrub-a-dub-dub so it can look a little bit better. I mean, it's not like anybody's gonna look at it, but I'm gonna look at it, so I'm gonna clean it. Alright, so I'm pretty much done over here. I got all the bolts off of the the oil pan and whatever. I was trying to take it off, but I noticed that there's the I don't even know what pump I'm looking at right now, but this pump right here, or whatever the hell it is, I'm not even sure what the fuck it is. It's attached to the oh damn. Fail. All right, so we just had a big time fail. We just had a big time fail up in here. We have my sister over here. Yeah, put your head down in shame, cause oh my god, I was trying to teach her how to do her own oil change on her truck, but I'm kind of stuck over here doing this nonsense. And I actually asked her, I'm like, before she turned on the car, I'm like, wait, hold up, are you sure you tightened up the oil filter? And then she's like, yes. And then I was like, all right. So Jenny over here told her to turn it on. As soon as she turned it on, it took a big old shit. Look at this. That's damn near everything in the truck. Now she's gonna go. Now she's going in shame all the way back to the auto parts. But yeah, we're almost done over here. Anyways, yeah, so it is connected to the oil pan. So I'm gonna have to take those two bolts off, and hopefully that is the last of it, and then we'll just drop it right now, right quick, one time for the one. All right, so finally took that bitch out. Man, that shit was kind of a mission, because it wouldn't drop, and I actually had to drop the steering rack on the passenger side so I can at least get some room so I can drop the oil pan. But there you go, it's off. It just gotta make sure you drop that fucking steering rack, because it ain't gonna come down without moving it out the way. But now that I got it, here we go. We gonna clean this bitch out real quick and then put the baffle in there, and we should be set to go. All right, y'all, so it's time to put this bitch in, this baffle in. This is the baffle right here. Basically this just goes in. I mean, if you guys seen any other people doing it, I mean, it's the same, but bullshit. You just throw it on here, bam, it goes like that. But you know, the big question is, how the fuck are you supposed to, you know, drill the holes so they can line up? So I made a little paper template. I'm just gonna, you know, basically hold it up in here, and I'll just make the holes. I'll just Sharpie the holes right there, and then I'll just drill them out. All right, and just like that, we're done. I kind of had to take this one off and put another one back in there because it didn't line up exactly perfect, but I managed to get another rivet I had laying around, and threw it back in there, and now it's in there pretty damn good. So now all I gotta do is just pretty much clean up all those shavings that are down there, clean up this mating surface, and I should be pretty good. I should be done. So yeah, let's finish. What is going on, everybody? Day 2 of this, which really shouldn't have been a day 2, should have just been a 1 day, but I had to really step out yesterday from doing this work, because yesterday while I was torquing down the oil pan bolts, it was pretty much a stupid move coming from me. Basically what happened was I rented, which that alone should be telling you everything. I rented a torque wrench from AutoZone, and yesterday while I was torquing down the bolts, actually I didn't even torque them down. I torqued one of them down, and one of the fucking bolts broke down on the block. So I have to take off the oil pan back out. Honestly, yesterday I really didn't want to do shit anymore because I was so fucking pissed off that that actually happened. And you know, I don't even know if I should blame myself which, yeah, to some extent, yeah. I guess as much as I want to blame AutoZone, you know, fuck their parts, honestly, and especially fuck their rented torque wrenches. Don't fucking rent no torque wrench from AutoZone or O'Reilly's or any fucking auto part at that, because everybody that rents it, they don't take care of them, and they're probably not gonna be on point. So yeah, what I'm gonna end up doing right now is taking the oil pan back out and trying to see how bad the damage was. Hopefully the bolt broke off pretty long on the block, and you know, I can try to weld a nut so I can extract it, because I really don't use bolt extractors. I've had like the shittiest luck with them. They break in there, and if they do break in there, you're not getting that motherfucker out, so it's gonna cost you even more. So I'm gonna hopefully, if hopefully there's still some thread, some piece of the bolt you know, sticking out of the block that'll let me work with it. And yeah, we'll see what the damage is right now. Well, there it is. And I mean, even though it looks kind of like it's sticking out a little bit out of the block, I'm still kind of worried that it's fucking really close to the damn block. I mean, I say I could probably get a nut and weld it and try to, you know, back it out, but I'm kind of scared because I don't have that much welding skills, so I don't know if I'm gonna do a very good job of penetrating it and having it actually grip on the fucking on the piece of the bolt that's stuck in there and be able to extract it. Alright, y'all, wish me luck. This is gonna be the first time I'm extracting a bolt with weld, and plus I'm going to be doing this on the bottom of a fucking block, so wish me luck, guys. Alright, for sure. So by the looks of it, it's starting to come out after, you know, a bunch of after numerous attempts to practice. Over there I got a bunch of practice nuts and bolts that I welded just to make sure that it was gonna grip. This one actually came out like shit, but I just fucking set it and I tried to back it out, and it seems like it's coming out, so it looks like we're looking pretty cool, y'all. So hell yeah. All right, so after trying to back it out, fucking nut broke, but luckily it's already coming out, so it's kind of loose, so I could take it off with my hands. So hell yeah, nigga, this is fuck. I don't give a fuck about my welding skills right now, as long as this fucking bolt fucking shit comes out, man. So we're looking good. Is that for number 4? I mean 2? Yeah, yeah. Can I return that, man? My wife just yelled at me. Yeah, just take it back, man.
Yeah, we can put return to sender.
Yeah, just take it back. No, I'm just kidding.
It kind of sounds like, is it exhaust?
Yeah. Thank you.
You're like, I really don't want to get
She's like, what you order this time? I'm like, I don't know. This guy just showed up.
Yeah, I go through the same thing.
All right, man. Thanks. All right, y'all. So, unfortunately, it took me this fucking long to figure out how to put that goddamn dipstick in. I was trying to put it in through this side over here, and it just kept, as you can see those marks right there, it wouldn't go in. So, and then I was trying to see if maybe I had it wrong, and maybe it was on the back of the block where it actually mounted, because I never really checked when we took the dipstick out. I kind of just told my girl to just, you know, pull that thing out, and when it came back to put it back in, I was lost because there was no way for me to figure out how it came out. And I've been researching online to see how the dipstick went, but nobody really showed anything. And I found what do you call it, engine for sale on eBay, and luckily the guy had pictures of around the engine, like the crate, and that's literally exactly how I figured out how this fucking dipstick went. Yeah, maybe I'm kind of stupid, but yeah, if anybody else is a little stupid, well, that's how it goes. I did bend it a little bit in the bottom because it wouldn't go in, but literally, really, like, the bend that I did was so minimal that it was just literally just to get it in. But yeah, this is where I'm gonna be closing the video because it's dark. You guys ain't even gonna see me. So thanks for checking this out. This struggle of a project, and see you on the next one. Peace. Thank you guys for watching. For your participation interest, what I'm asking you guys to do is subscribe and hit that bell notification. Take a screenshot and inbox it to me on my Instagram account. The winner will be chosen when I hit my 200th subscriber. Okay guys, that's easy, right? So good luck guys, and thanks for watching.